Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Shanghai. Here is my room, so big and spacious. Just look at it, wonderful. And here's the washroom, and the closet here. So this morning I got up and I was thinking to go for breakfast, but I kinda got late, so I don't think I can make it. I'm all set and ready, and I'm so excited to show you guys how Shanghai looks like. Today I'm planning to go to U Garden. It's in the city center in Shanghai, and I've seen so many beautiful pictures, videos about U Garden, and I'm really excited to show you guys as well and to experience myself. Let's go to U Garden and eat something as well. I'll love to show you guys the street food, the shops, the houses, the beautiful scenery, and everything about Shanghai. So let's go. See ya. Here is a quick update of my outfit. Luckily, I had some time to have breakfast since I was waiting for my friend. And here it is. Looks so yum. And here it's my Chinese soup noodles. It looks so good, filled with lots of vegetables. When I saw this Loki, I wanted to try. We used to have in Nagaland as well. It's called Lao, I think. And it was really good. The way how they made it, it was amazing. Now it's time to go explore the city center. See ya! So guys, I'm already in New Garden. Look at this. So this is New Garden. How is it? Just look at the view. So beautiful. There's some boats here, and even the houses are so beautiful. Now let's explore the other side. There is some ticket booth there. I think there's some stuff. It says there's the U Garden is inside, so we bought the ticket. It's 40 yuan. Let's see how it looks inside. It's very beautiful, this side, the house. Oh, I think there is a cave. Is it a cave here or? No, it says exit. Exit. It looks like a cave. Mm. Just look at the flooring. So detailed. Joe, say hi. Such a beautiful place. I can't believe that this is in the city center. You can see the skyscrapers behind, and then here it's like very traditional houses. Yew Garden is built over 450 years ago, and the king during that time built this place basically like a palace for his parents since they were getting old so that they can rest and enjoy their old age. God, look at this. So gorgeous. This place doesn't look real, no? It's just too perfect. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, so pleasant. I wish if I was that rich like the king, I would also build this kind of place for my parents, I swear. Whenever you're in China, prepare yourself as you're gonna struggle to pay from your credit card because in a lot of places they don't accept credit card. They usually use Alipay or WeChat Pay in China for everything, and you can also use cash, but don't depend on your credit card as it's not gonna work in 80% of them. Yo, I have a banana milk for you. Enjoy.
Banana, but I will try it for you.
You don't like banana? Cheers. Let me know. How is it? Good?
So yes, for me.
Yay! Oh, wait.
One.
I want the
Hello.
1.2 yong.
Uh, yes.
How much is that? Do you have this one for? You have calculator?
One.
So guys, I'm gonna buy this tea now. Oh my god, it's amazing. The taste is excellent. They have in blueberry flavors, blueberry, mango. This is orange and this one is, I'm not quite sure, but the taste is really good. So I'm gonna buy some even though it's expensive. So if you want some nice Chinese tea, come to my house, okay? It's for all the tea. I got like 590 grams, and for 1 gram it's 1.2 yuan. So I got 590, and she made it. She told me to pay only 500 grams, and she also gave me another 100 grams for free. And in total, I paid 618 yuan, which is not a bad deal because it's really good, really good. It's expensive, but I'm really happy with the tea that I bought just now. It's really good. Our next stop is DJI store. So what I heard is whenever you're in China, if you want to buy like gadgets for YouTube or gadgets for electronics and stuff, I heard that DJI is like very good. So I wanted to go and visit this store so that I can buy some gadget for my YouTube channel. So it's not that far away from here. So me and Joe, we are gonna go visit the DJI store. See ya.
Is it
Anyway, guys, we're leaving from this place now. Made it to DJI store. I have this one for my microphone, and I wanted to get this vlogging camera, which is tiny. It's very tiny. Let me show you. I think it looks like this. Yeah, this is a tiny screen. You just hold and take videos of it. It's very convenient, but the price is 3499 yuan. So guys, both of us, we're just wandering around in the city center in Shanghai. We don't know where we are. We're just walking around, and
you don't have to know everything.
yeah, and we felt like we were in Europe because the architecture and everything around it looks like Europe, you know?
Even it's better than Europe.
Yeah, it's very clean, very nice. We saw another part of Shanghai today. Something which we will never,
Well, this is the only sign that I saw.
Yeah, but
This
it's
is my
nice.
first time here, so.
It's nice. So next stop is supermarket. We get some drinks and food, and we go back to the hotel. That's all.
It's like a rule.
Look at this car. Oh my god. The smallest car I've ever seen. Anyway, that's all about my Shanghai layover. I hope you guys enjoyed like I did. See you in my next video. Please do like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Bye bye.